Hello everyone, my name is Carlos Castañeda. I am from Medellin, Colombia, and this is my proposal for the challenge uh, applying for the Marketing and User Engagement Coordinator internship at the Western Australia Council of Social Service WACOSS. So this is going to be the website that I proposed. You need to know first that I am not a web designer. I am not an expert in web design or an expert in designing. So I basically took the references of what is important for the structure of a website or a landing page oriented to a very optimized marketing strategy on the web, because my specialty and my profession and what's my strongest skill is only marketing, web marketing, and related. So at the first impression that the user is going to have of the website is going to be the main navigation right here, and you can see as well the logo of the WACOSS, and you can also go to the social networks, which is like basically what we need to do in the first moment. We need to try to get the visitors to an engagement where they can go to Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, or LinkedIn, or more social network, maybe less networks, depending on what exactly the specifications of the event are going to be needing. And then we have, I decided to uh, take the name Sustainable Knowledge Management for Organization as the name of the event. And after that, you can see on the right the main goal of the event, so the people can have a very general and specific idea of what the event is for and what it's about. So learn the principles of sustainable knowledge management, as well as how to leverage tools such as drop-in as collaborative knowledge management solutions for your organization. And obviously, the last most important element of this first view of the page is the register now button, so the people can have an idea of what the event is going to be about, and obviously going to an action, which is like the registration. After that, if the people is interested and start scrolling down the website, they will go to this counter, which is like the basically counter for the time that is left until the registration ends and the event is going to begin. After that, I decided to start playing with the elements of the page to be a little bit more aggressive to catch user attention. So I suggested creating something to engage and to attach people in the social networks who are very interested and connected to the event. And that is this is why I put this section right here. Um, I use this is a Twitter box. We can also use a Facebook box or a YouTube box depending on what the event has a priority. And I decided to suggest WACOSSConf hashtag as the hashtag, so people can be connected with the event. They can share tweets, information, maybe questions they have about the event, and they can start like getting into the event before the event is executed. And after the event, this hash is going to let us see how the impact in the social networks was for the event, and even for people in future years, they will be able to see how the event was in the past year, how the pictures look like. Maybe there were some videos, some snapshots of the event, some speakers, words, and everything. Um, in the middle, I decided to put another call to action. So for the people that maybe are interested in keeping in touch with the organization, or maybe they want to know more things about um, the conference or WACOSS, so they will be putting their email into the newsletter box and subscribe to the newsletter. And then after that, I just decided to expand the information about the event. So this is why I use these icons, trying to be a little bit more expressive about the fact that this event is going to be about potentially the potential of the decision making with your talent and everything. So this is why you have here the description that you were giving us about the event, and very important, so people can see what orientation this event have. So right here have oriented to managers, project managers, network coordinators, internal corporate services team, and well, that's the list. And at the left, I have a little bit snippet of an extra information about the event, something like this is going to be really interesting for the people that want to go to the event. After that, I decided to put some lorem ipsum, just text, because I think we need to engage the user with images, with text, but also with video. So this video is gonna show the visitor or the interested person in this event about what the event is going to be. Maybe we can create some videos about what is going to happen in the event, who's gonna come to the event, and what's gonna be like the event. And yeah, it's really important to point here that with a video, it's gonna be really interesting to expand exposure of the video to different video platforms. I don't know what are the most popular video platforms in Australia. I guess YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion. We can use all of these platforms and maybe more to expand the reach of this video and basically increase exposure of this event. And then I decided to put the speakers, maybe the information about who they are and how, like how experts they are in this topic. And at the end, I just put some information about who are sponsoring the event, who are behind the event in the organization or sponsoring. And at the end is just the footer, normal information from the Western Australia Council of Social Service and the social networks again. So this is basically what I suggest for the website. I think the navigation is based on the way that people needs to be more informed about the event. So people want to register, so they immediately go to the register, or people want to see who are going to be behind the exhibitions, the talks, so they go and see the speakers. If people are interested to know where is this going to be at, so they can go to the location, and if they're interested to see who the sponsors of this event are, then they go to the sponsors. And then this is important for the marketing efforts. Obviously, people can go and see what is going on in the blog, like to be more informed about the organization, about the event, about another information, more related news, maybe something's happening in the city or in the organization. And the last one is going to be the about page. Maybe we want to inform a little bit more about what WACOSS is, and maybe tell a little bit more about the program and the platforms that we're going to be promoting in these events. And yeah, as I said before, here the social networks is really important for marketing. And yeah, this is basically the rationale of my page. As I say, I'm not the best expert for web design, so this is a little bit brief design. And I think the most important thing for the design is that we are using all the elements in order to increase the registration of people for this event. I am an online marketing expert, and I know that we need to use elements such as videos, such as text, such as images, and obviously this page is going to be optimized for SEO This page is going to have URLs, friendly URLs for SEO. The structure of the page is going to be optimized for SEO, so that we have the search engines improving the rankings for this page. So when people is going to start listening about this event in the offline medium, they can go to the online and find our page immediately. In other hands, I think okay. I need to mention also that I will be monitoring like the page speed of this page. It's really important to have a really speed fast speed loading page so that we have a user engagement and a very important indicator of quality of our page. And yeah, I think this is gonna be a connected activity from the strategy, but also in the marketing in the internet industry. So I think in terms of increasing the exposure and increasing the number of registrations, we could use some online marketing campaigns. Maybe if this is necessary for some events, we can do some Google AdWords campaigns. We can use some Google Display campaigns. We can use some YouTube AdWords campaigns. We can use some Twitter campaigns, maybe if this is necessary. Facebook campaigns. I am totally capable, and I have all the skills and capabilities and certifications to do these campaigns on the internet. So I think this is basically what I wanted to share with you. I hope that you liked my page and my ideas for this strategy. And yeah, I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. And that's it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.